everyone, it's Alexis with Project Management Made Simple. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how do you establish and manage client expectations? So client expectations, this is a pretty big topic. Expectations are something that can fluctuate and they can change. And this is why we have agreements. This is why we have statements of work and why we have contracts. And even with these kinds of documents, we can still see projects where expectations were misaligned, were miscommunicated, and ultimately where projects fail. So it is super important to constantly be on the same page with your client around their expectations so that you can ensure successful project delivery. The first thing you'll want to do is get a good understanding of why this project was undertaken in the first place. What is the problem statement that the project is set out to achieve? What is the opportunity, if there's an opportunity, that the client is hoping to leverage? Getting a good understanding of this, their goals and their objectives, is going to help you when we move on to the next point of establishing a project plan, which includes your schedule, your scope, your budget, your quality, your resources, everything that it's going to take to then achieve those goals and objectives. Moving on to the next point of determining a communication plan. It's been said that 90% of what project managers do is communicate. And so it's important to have that conversation with your customer to establish those expectations around when they can hear from you, the kinds of information that you'll be providing, and the kinds of information that you will need from them as well to be successful on the project. Moving on to point number 4 is to be vigilant about managing risks and issues. These are those things that could go wrong or have gone wrong on your project. And so it's important to document risks and issues, be vigilant about speaking about these things and addressing these things as soon as you see them come up, because these can ultimately affect your project and be to the detriment of the project and in turn affect your client's expectations. And finally, you want to build a trusting relationship with your client. Now, we all know that trust isn't built overnight. It involves you being a person who is a person of your word, has integrity, and if things do go off plan, being open and honest about that and being solution oriented. This was a video answering the question, how do you establish and manage client expectations? Feel free to leave any questions below in the comments, and I will talk to you all in my next video.